Hello, everyone. So, yes, we are live now. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Whenever you are seeing this video, whenever you are watching this video, or you are live here in India, it is 9:35 p.m. So, good night. And okay, let me share my screen. I'm sharing my entire screen. Hopefully, my screen is visible, right? So, I'm just looking at the market, and I'm thinking that market is moving pretty good. So, already I opened at the 1 hour interval in BTC and ETH also 1 hour interval and Solanum also at 1 hour interval. So okay, what we can do is we will trade in either of the cryptocurrency according to the market. Okay, so let me. So what? Why I increase the time frame just to see where where the market is moving, and market is super bullish, so we will trade in the upward direction. Okay, and yeah. So let me see. 5 minute interval. If we find any opportunity. So I'm doing at 5 minute interval in every one of them. This one is also at 5 minute interval. Guys, ignore the CT because I'm cooking my food. Yeah. So that's crazy. It now. Let's see how we can find the opportunity. Just seeing the countdown to close the bar. Let's see what is happening at Ethereum. Sol as well. So we will take the trade if market reaches at this point. Okay. See, let's see Ethereum. Ethereum super bullish, guys. Nice. So we came at the right moment, I think so. Yeah, market is super bullish and we can trade either way. That doesn't matter at all. Solana is already moving in upward direction, but let's see what is happening at 4 hour interval. So 4 hour interval, we can see that there is a selling zone at this point, but that doesn't matter because this. Sorry, guys, very dangerous work to cook food with. Let me see what will be my stop loss looks like. So it's on 200 points, and I can afford 200 points uh, stop loss. For a moment, Bitcoin is going bit down, and that's how market moves. So will give you an opportunity to take the trade. Uh, so it will definitely give a pullback, and we don't want to enter in a pullback. So we will wait for our perfect entry, and we will definitely enter the horizontal line we have established. It's good to enter at the right point rather than giving stop losses. So I think it's the right time to enter in the market. That's what I feel right now. Hopefully, I'm audible, guys. So, okay, it is moving in the downward direction. Let's wait for the right entry. Yeah, and every one of the cryptocurrencies market is moving in the downward direction. 853 91853 is the buying position, and we will enter the market at 891853. We will wait for the right opportunity and right entry. Right now market is teasing and inviting us to punch a trade, but we will definitely wait for, because we don't want to get trapped in the uh, in this momentum, because we know that market will go in the upward direction, but when? That's the right question, right? So we have to patiently wait for our right entry, because if we enter right now, na, then what will happen? Uh, it will make a move in downward direction just to flush out all the weak buyers, so that it can move again in the forward direction. It's just a pullback that will eventually take the stop losses of all the weak buyers that jumped by seeing all those green candles, and we have to literally wait for a right entry, and right entry I think will be soon. So we can see there is a gap of 135 points to the EMA right now, so market can uh, touch the EMA, and EMA is basically a moving average exponential, so it's basically average of uh, 9, 15, 20 candles, whatever you configured with. So it's basically the average of what average price of what previous 9 or 10, 15 coin candles have. So we will wait and literally buy at our position. We will not buy what market will offer. We will buy what we decided to buy. And my deciding buy position is 91853. Before before it, I will not buy it, because I know that market can be a bit risky, and it can move in the downward direction and will wipe out all the stop losses that you will place, like 100 $200, and it will again go in the forward direction. So basically we know what will happen, and we know what the market can do. So why not we can just wait for our perfect entry, for our right entry, right? And so that the loss can be minimized, and we have to work on small stop losses, not those big stop losses, right? So I think market is giving us one more opportunity right now, and Okay, so this patient checking the patience of all the buyers. 91853 is the buying position that we are intended to buy on, and we are thinking to buy on. Before this, market will fluctuate, will go down, will take the stop losses, will decide whatever it will decide. A 91853 opportunity to buy. Placing the order. I punched my order at 91860. I think so. Let me see. Is my order being punched at 91860? So 91860 is the buying price. 91860. So this is the buying position, guys. So my buying position is this, and my stop loss would be very small, like this one, $190, and I will target at least 2.5 dollars from here. So why I bought this trade? Because as the momentum is in the up direction, so there might be an opportunity over here because market is pausing and making and it is interesting. Or so right now we are facing a loss of $84, but what I'm thinking is that market will continue to go in up direction. What my probability says right now. Although like my entry might be at wrong place or something like that, but let's see. We have entered and we will have a thoughtful stop loss of $200 and a target of $400, at least $400. So let's see how it will perform. I think market will flush out for a stop loss, maybe. Okay, I'm closing this trade, guys, because market has flushed out first stop loss. So I booked my stop loss at $202, and we got trapped in this buying position, guys. I thought that market will continue to keep going in higher in the upper direction, but it took our stop loss. No, never mind. We accepted the stop loss, and we will plan for a trade in the upcoming time in the up direction only, not in the downward direction, because downward direction doesn't make any sense right now. Although like we got a hit back in the. We will not, although like it is making the move in the downward direction, we will not take a trade in the downward direction because um, now it might trap all the sellers who are uh, so what we are do we can we will keep the order ready in the up direction, because as soon as we find the move in the upward direction, we will jump in and try to ease out the position of all the buyers, of all the sellers who are placing their order right now. So because sellers are thinking that market will go in the downward direction, which is obviously which is very rare right now. There is 10 to 20% possibility or probability that market will go down or take the stop losses of all the buyers, but there is a high probability that market will create one more high from here. I am going in the up direction again. Let me see what where I put my order, my 91724. 91724. So my long order is again 91724, somewhere here. My order is placed at this point, and my stop loss would be again at this $161 is my stop loss, and I will target at least 2.5 from here, at least, or 1:3 is my target. So this is my second trade on today's timeline. My stop loss is $160, and same candle low, and my target is um, somewhat 350 or $400. Why I put punch this trade? Because after seeing this red candle, there are so many sellers who can jump in, and as soon as you can see the trade the candle that started from here, move a little bit downwards, so that is a surety to all the sellers that market will go in the downward direction, and so many orders got punched in the downward direction. But as soon as it starts moving, then there is a panicness in the sellers, and sellers will try to square off their position, and that will give the opportunity to all the buyers to come in and punch the trade in the upward direction. That's the probability. So we will play the game of probability, and the probability says the market will continue to uh, to move uh, in the higher direction, in the upward direction. So we are also speculating like that, and let's see how market will move. I'm drawing the horizontal line, option H. This is my entry, option H. This is my target. Just okay. There is a high possibility that market will definitely touch the higher zone of there. It's we just have to wait a bit. The game is all about the patience. Guys, just let me see that I am live or not. And guys, I am live. So unfortunately, there is no viewers. I am the only viewer right now, and let me put the like over here. So it's fine because we are starting. We'll focus on our trade right now. We punch the trade in the upward direction. And why we put the trade in the upward direction? Because we the momentum is in upward direction. And why we put this trade in this particular position, in this particular endpoint only? Sorry, endpoint is a term of software engineering, and I work as a full-time software engineer. So that came to my mouth. And yeah, as I'm talking about software engineering, so guys, this is the platform that you can come and trade in the, like, you can demo trade or practice a trade a lot without literally wasting or literally burning out your real cash. You just have to come and register this on this endpoint on this URL, and I am attaching this URL in the um, so now I will not take any risk in this trade. So my risk is zero. I will square off my position at zero. I will take the target. So guys, what I'm saying is, I'm saying that okay, so this is the application that I built myself for me, and as I'm building my for application for myself, I can definitely uh, keep this application to my local machine only. But what I did is, as I need this application for practicing trade. There might be more people in this world. They need they need application like this in the market. So what I did is, I literally built this application for me and for you guys as well. So um, so just go to this paperweight.com and register yourself, and as soon as you register, you will get around 100 you will get exactly $100,000 that you will invest, or you will punch your trade with. And please use that money wisely, because as soon as you will as soon as you will exhaust, guys, we are reaching to the target, and targeted, guys. So first time in the history of trading, our target got hit. So this is $494 dollars today. The target is this. So let's see how market will. Although, like, it will continue uh, its high, and I think it will definitely reach at this point. So most probably this will reach at this point. But we are happy to to book this target for the first time. Like, we have covered around 1:3 or something like that. So let's control Z. Yeah. So let's see. It's basically the stop loss is around $160, and the target is around 450 480 $490, something like that. So it's like 16:3. Yeah, 1:3. So we already achieved 1:3, and it's quite good target to work on. Okay, nice. So I think that's it for today. We have worked. We finally booked our first target, and I'm pretty happy with that. So overall, you can just see um, we are we uh, punched 22 trades overall now, and out of that 16 are losses. On the one time it is like 11 or 10 losses in a row, or 11 ratio 1, something like that. But we have uh, we have booked small losses, like small loss is maximum loss that we have took is around $306, and the losses are like 100, from $100 to 120, 50, $200, and our aim is to book target like these. uh, like these are the target that we have to aim for, right? And overall loss is $1767. So we will not in a single trade, it is not possible to recover all the losses in the single trade, so we will try to recover it or try to gain it in the small trades. Okay, so for today I think we have done the for the trading part for today. Let's see what is happening at Ethereum, and same thing is happening at Solana as well. So we will find another opportunity, but I think market is approaching at this point where market uh, tried to reverse for this first time, second time. So market may be at a reversal zone from here also. Like, so there are sellers over here, and let me see what are the points. So market can move 281 points more before sellers jump in. But as we can see, the strength is quite high. The strength is uh, very much in the buying zone, and there is a beautiful trend line as well. Like, this is what market is falling right now, and there is a uh, okay. So you see that this is a uh, swing pattern. So this is like a market can complete this swing like this in the 4 hour interval time frame. So let me draw Fibonacci retracement. So how it is look like. So from top like this point to the bottom like this point, I'm drawing, and right now market is at um, market is at like 50% or more than 50%, and it start reversing from the 60%. So as soon as this market crosses the 60% zone, there is a momentum in the upward direction, and it will definitely reach at highest of uh, this position, this price action. So you can see in the upcoming hours or days, you can just see the swing in the up direction. So if market will not reverse from the 60% position, then it will definitely touch this high. So it exciting time to trade in the Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies right now, because you just have to take care of the zone. Don't get trapped in the zone, and you will definitely get a good trade in the coming hours or coming days. Um, I think I am done for the for today's trading, and I will. Um, so I definitely have little less time for today, and I'm squaring. I'm uh, closing the session for today, and yeah. So you can do one thing. You can visit this paperweight.com. I There is a reason I named this as a paperweight, because obviously we are doing paper trading. So register with the new account, and you will get $100,000. So you can punch the trade with $100,000. Please use it wisely, because you will not recover, or you will not gain more amount of money unless you will pay me. So there are several features, like uh, taking the screenshot, and let me show you the orders history. So you can just write the notes. So as soon as you know that I have booked profit in this set, so I can just um, write it. Market is in upward trend. Wait for the pullback. Entered on the uptick. That's it. That's what I did is, and let me write it down for the loss also as well. Uh, market market was an uptrend. Made a entry in up direction, but it is too early. Got stopped out at SL or pullback. So these are my notes. Okay, you can also write your notes. This is like a trading history or journal that you are maintaining for the time being. And also you can go to analytics, and analytics you can just see this is the monthly diary or monthly calendar. You can just see that, okay, I have been trading for continuously for quite some time, and on 9th of Jan I booked $25 loss, so $25 profit, and rest of these are losing days today. So losing days are, this is not in a single trade, so three trades, three are being three being uh in the loss, three two trades in the being lost, so $120 for each trade, something like that. And today I booked I $291 overall profit. So although like there is 400 $500 for profit in the last trade, but overall I, because there is a one lost trade also, so this is how it looks like. So total 19 trades, 6 are then profitable, 13 are losing trades, and this is about this month history. So this is go and try this application on your own, and suggest me feedbacks if any in the comment section, guys. I'm leaving this application to you. You can just click on the description link in the comment section, in the description box, and enjoy this application, guys. Okay, so I'm signing off from this uh, right now, and enjoy, guys. Bye bye.